Come
Yes.
from where? And who'd you come and see?
Nashville, Tennessee, brother. Nashville. When I had this case coming up, this has been one of the cases that, again, I would talk to Paul about even publishing it, because it's a very common case when you don't find this at the initial diagnosis appointment, where this patient is very narrow arch and he's an adult about 60 years old and he wants all on four. What do you do when the sinuses are so far forward and he's got chronic sinusitis, so the implant failed in the sinus after sinus grafting? Then all we have now is 4 or 5 implants right here, if you look. So what do? I think about zygoma. So the first question in my mind was like, who do I get? And that's when Paul came to my mind. Like, let's fly to Chicago. So I came here, spent a day with him, just with the surgery, anatomy. He went over the whole 9 yards with the whole, like, surgery, the flap, the raising, the suturing, the anesthetics, and it's just so much that I'm still trying to digest some of this stuff. This is what I would suggest for any docs that want to learn this stuff. Come to Implant Don right here. Paul, Chicago. He's really a good host, and he took care of me. He honestly showed me everything, and he's so passionate. His passion speaks through his work, and you can see it so clearly. So I definitely recommend him for any young dentist, especially out of school, want to get excited about this kind of surgical work. He does amazing zirconia implants as well. I don't want to just kind of like tell everybody zygoma that he does. Zirconia implants that he does is amazing. Absolutely great clinician, and a wonderful mentor for me personally. I've known Paul for quite a few years. We had him to actually speak in our DIA conference, Dental Influencers Alliance, and his lecture over there just kind of captured the audience so clearly. Like, it was awesome, and how engaged every attendee was in that meeting, because as soon as he starts speaking, nobody leaves the room, because it's so passionate and a fantastic clinician. Again, as a mentor, I couldn't ask for somebody better here in Chicago, so close, just to fly away. So I'm going to do this more often, try to learn some more surgical skills and get on that zygoma, and also more zirconia stuff, for sure.